Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the right side third level rack tub mount for this Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to models made by Maytag, KitchenAid, Kenmore, and Jenn Air. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The third level rack tub mount attaches through the wall of the dishwasher's tub with two plastic nuts. This mount supports the third level rack during operation. Over time, the mount can crack or break from the stress of regular use and the weight of the rack. If the tub mount fails, you may notice the third level rack sitting unevenly, becoming loose, or falling out of position during a cycle. Replacing a broken tub mount restores proper support and keeps a rack securely in place during operation. The wheels on this third level tub mount are not sold separately, so if one is damaged or missing, the entire assembly will need to be replaced. Although the process is similar for both sides, this video shows you how to replace the right side third level rack tub mount. The left and right side mounts are different parts with different numbers, so make sure that you order the correct side for your repair. The third level rack tub mount does not come with replacement retainer nuts, so if you need to replace them, make sure that you order them accordingly. Each one is sold separately. If you need to purchase a replacement right side third level rack tub mount for your dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. This video features pulling out the dishwasher, so please turn off the water supply and disconnect your appliance from its power source before beginning. To replace the right side third level rack tub mount, the dishwasher will need to be pulled out slightly so you can access the mount nuts on the side of the appliance. Before pulling the dishwasher out, first open the door and remove the third level rack. On this model, pull out the rack and open the two stop clips by rotating them towards the outside of the appliance. Slide the third rack out and place it aside. Before you begin, make sure you understand how your dishwasher is connected to the power, the drain, and the water line. If you need help with this step, watch our dishwasher removal video regarding the process of safely pulling out your appliance from underneath the countertop. Carefully pull on the door of the dishwasher until you can access the frame of the tub and pull the appliance out from the frame. Pull out the dishwasher until you see the nuts on the third level mount to be replaced. The third level rack tub mount is held by two retaining nuts from the outside of the tub of the dishwasher. Twist the nuts to remove them while holding the mount and rail from inside the machine. Once the retaining nuts are removed, the third level rack tub mount and rail can be pulled from the dishwasher. Remove the rail from the tub mount by sliding the rear clip off. To remove the rear stop clip, push the release tab away from the rail while pushing the clip up to slide it out. You may find that a flathead screwdriver makes releasing the clip a lot easier. Slide the rail out and the tub mount can now be discarded. When shopping for a replacement third level rack tub mount, avoid cheap, low quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We'll include a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact replacement. To install the third level rack tub mount, first slide the rail into place between the two support tabs on the mount. Test to be sure that the rail moves smoothly and the front stop clip is closest to the two support tabs. Once the rail moves smoothly, install the rear stop clip. Slide the pin of the clip through the two mounting holes in the rail. Be sure the tab locks the clip securely in place. Next, clean the surface of the tub where the old mount was located. Install the third level rack tub mount through the tub wall, being sure that the mount's rail support tabs are closest to the front of the appliance. Twist both of the nuts on until they lock into place. Check to be sure that the mount is securely in place. Once you are sure that the new tub mount is properly installed, reinstall the dishwasher. Once the dishwasher is secured in place, open the door and slide the third level rack back into the appliance. Close both of the stop clips. Slide the rack back and close the door. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.